Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to show you how to give a password in your PDF file. So friends, this is a file, PDF file child marriage, and I want to give a password in this file or want to protect this file. So you can open this with Adobe Acrobat and you can use their licensed or by buying the option for giving a password in Adobe Acrobat for same. So friends, you can do this free of cost. You just have to surf the Google Chrome or any web browser and you have to type here protect PDF. Here are numerous websites. You just have to choose one, the first one, or I am choosing the first one. You can choose any one. All these websites work. So friends, after clicking the or entering the website, you just have to select the file that you are going to give a password. Like the file name is child marriage, so I am opening here. So you just have to give here password. Like, you have to keep in mind that at least one lowercase in upper letter must be there, and numbers and special characters, and at least the password will be or should be of 8 characters. So friends, I am choosing here right now, and this is a strong password because the green color reflection has been shown here. So friends, you have to just click on the blank one, and after click protect PDF, it will be converted, or it has been converted. Like now you just have to click download PDF protected PDF, and this is protected file. I am saving a desktop here, and you can look here that this file is now protected. Let's open it. I'm opening it, and this requires the password that I have already given. Let's open this PDF file by giving the password, and you can see the file is open now. So friends, if you share this file to anyone via any medium, like via Google Chrome, mail, WhatsApp, this will require a password. So friends, hope I have told you how to give a password in your PDF file. Thank you.